Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to write our first program, that is the Hello World program. In this program, we are going to print Hello World on the output screen. This is the very basic program that you will be typing in almost every language to get started with the basics. So let us see how to write. First, create a new file. After that, save that file. You can save that file using any name like first program .c. Remember, the extension should always be .c as it is a C program, otherwise the compiler will give an error. Let us press OK. The program is saved like this. So let us keep it on full screen mode. The very first step is inclusion of the header files. Let us type it. So let us first understand what are header files. Header files are the files that contain important information or the code of the functions that we are going to use. Functions are anything which performs some specific task. So for performing every task like printing on the screen, taking the input, everything is done in terms of functions. So that function's code will be written in this file, that is a header file. So inclusion of this header file is necessary. The next thing is we are going to write the main function. This is the syntax of the main function. A function is always enclosed with the brackets like this. After that, let us write the code inside the main function. Always remember, the code that we write inside the main function will be executed. Like our main function of this program will be defined in this main function. So our task is to print hello world. So for performing that task, we have to use the function printf. So printf is a function that is used to print anything that we have written on the screen. The thing or the text that we want to print always must be enclosed within the quotations. So inside this quotation, we have to write the thing that we want to print, like hello world. Always remember, terminate a line with semicolon. A semicolon is like a full stop that we use in English language to terminate a sentence. Similarly, to terminate a line in C program, we use a semicolon. So after each line, we have to insert a semicolon, otherwise it will give an compiler error. So let us compile and see if anything is wrong. So as you can see, our program has been compiled successfully and there are no errors. Let us run it. Now our program has successfully run, but as we know, we cannot see any output on the screen. So for that, we have to go to Windows and then press on user screen. So here we can see that the text hello world has been written on the screen. But wait, after running the program, we should be able to see that screen, right? But we can't. The reason for this is the screen is not being displayed after the program ends. As soon as the program gets completed, the screen closes. So for the screen being maintained on the screen, we have to use a function known as getch. So getch is a function that is used to fetch a character from the user. The time till a person enter any character using the keyboard, the screen does not terminate, or in other words, our program is still on. Now let us see the difference. Let us compile, then run. Now you can see that the program is being displayed on the screen and it is not getting closed until and unless we press any key like this. So as soon as we press any key, the program gets terminated. So this is the function which is used to get a character from a user. The next thing is here as we can see, there are many texts displayed, like the previous output is also getting displayed with the current output. So in order to make the screen clear, we have to use a function known as CLR-SCR. CLR-SCR is a function which is used to clear the screen. So let us see how it is done. Here we go. Here is a clear output that we needed. So in this way, we can print anything on the screen. So this was about the Hello World program. But before ending the video, let me explain something important. This header file stdio.h is known as standard input-output header file, which means it contains the functions which are related to input and output operations. The next file is conio.h, that is console input-output header files. That means it contains the functions which are used for controlling the console or the screen. Therefore, the function CLR-SCR and getCH are present in this header file, and the function printf, which is used to display something on the screen, is present in stdio.h. Therefore, it is important for us to include these two header files before using these functions. I hope from this video you have understood how to display something onto the screen. In the next video, we will be discussing about the data types in C. Thank you for watching.